Hello, everyone, and welcome to Udacity's Introduction to Programming. I'm Galad Duran, and I will be one of your mentors for this program. So, in today's video, I'll be talking to you about Udacity, what you should expect in this course, and some tips to be successful in this program. So, we use this outline for this short video. Like I said, I will tell you a few things about Udacity, and I'll tell you what you should expect to find in this program and give you some tips on how to be successful in this program. So, what is Udacity? As you know already, Udacity is an online learning platform where you sign up for courses, you're given access to course content, and I assure you, Udacity offers quality content and massive support throughout your program. So at Udacity, you are given access to mentors that guide you throughout your program if you are facing any challenge, understanding the quizzes, understanding the projects and the course contents. You have mentors, and you also have the chance to interact with students from all over the world that have signed up to learn on Udacity. So with the great support offered at Udacity, I assure you, you will be able to achieve all your goals. So you'll be given access to course content, like I said before, and you'll be given access to project material. You'll be required to implement projects and submit your projects within a given deadline with the help of your mentors. And after you must have submitted your project, you get Udacity code reviewers to review your code and give you feedback. And if there's any improvement on your code, you are going to resubmit it and get feedback till you pass the project. So, like I said, Udacity offers a great support throughout the nano degree program, and I assure you, you are in for a great, interesting stuff. So, just stay tuned. That's that about the introduction to Udacity. And so, what would you expect in this program? So, for this program, Introduction to Programming, you'll be dealing with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. So basically, what is HTML? HTML means Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to build web pages. As you see on my screen, this is the basic structure of an HTML page, which starts with the HTML opening tag and there's the HTML closing tag at the end. Inside the HTML opening tag and the closing tag, you have the head the head tag, which contains the title of the web page, what appears on the browser when you are browsing. It's rendered by this title tag, and you have basically the opening body tag and the closing body tag where you have the contents of your web page. Also, you have CSS, which means cascading style sheets, which is used in giving beauty to the web page, giving some styling, coloring, font size, font types, and all the like. And in this program, you also encounter Python and JavaScript. All of these are scripting language, so you'll be able to compare these two languages. So without much waste of time, let's look at what you will be learning throughout this program, the syllabus. So for this program, you don't need any coding experience to subscribe to learn this program. No experience is required for this program. Oh, if you can manipulate a computer, if you can use web pages, if you can use a browser and with active internet connection, you are good to go. So for this program, like I said earlier on, you have an introduction to HTML, and for this first part of the program, you'll be required to submit a programming file that contains HTML code, and you get the code reviewed as I explained earlier on. And for this program, you have welcome to the nano degree orientation, the World Wide Web, and you learn HTML basics. And this first part of the program is estimated to take about 15 hours. So followed, you have introduction to CSS, and for this part, you also have a project to submit, and in this part, you learn how to add CSS to HTML pages, and the project you are going to submit is titled Animal Trading Cards. So this is really something that will be interesting as you learn along. And for this project, you have massive support from mentors and other students that are subscribed to the same program with you. And further, you have introduction to Python. And also in this section, you have a project which you submit. What did you learn in this section? You have turtles and Python, functions part 1, functions part 2, you have shell, workshop, Python at home, strings and lists, version control with Git, working with files, objects, and classes. This might be sounding overwhelming to you, but I assure you everything is explained from the basics and you will understand with the help of your mentors. And this part is estimated to take 70 hours. That is, you need to be dedicated and consistent. And then you move on to JavaScript. Each part of this program has a project that you will submit and you get your code reviewed. So for JavaScript, you learn what is JavaScript, you learn data types and variables, conditionals, you learn loops, you learn about functions, arrays, you learn objects, you learn the ES6 syntax, you learn document object model, creating content with JavaScript, and working with browser events. So as you can see, there's there's a lot you learn in this program, and it's going to be really interesting. As you can see, for JavaScript, the estimated time for it to take to learn this is 50 hours. So now, how do you manage the time estimated with your time you have to be doing other stuff? How do you become successful in this program? So learning a new skill has never been easy, but I assure you, if you are confident and you are self-motivated and with consistency, you always achieve all your goals. So one of the thing to take note about in this program is you should be consistent. Once you make a schedule, make a schedule, and then you stick to the schedule, and then you meet the deadlines estimated in the program, you see that with consistency you achieve your goals. And then one of the things that you should never do, you should never quit. As the quote goes, quitters never win. With Udacity, you have this program is going to take approximately 4 months for this new phase of the program. So you have support from all over the world. Like I said, you get to interact with other students, and you get technical support from your mentors and even comments from your code reviewers. So this is going to really be an interesting journey. So I encourage you to be consistent, stick to a schedule, and you may stay self motivated. Once you have any difficulty, your mentors are always ready to help you. So good luck as you learn this program. Thank you.